AI is everywhere in 2025, but can it actually make you money? I spent 7 days testing 5 different AI side hustles, and I tracked every single dollar I made. Spoiler, one of them made over $8,000 in 2 hours, and one completely flopped. 5 AI hustles. 7 days. Real results. Stay till the end to see which hustle was the most profitable and which you should avoid. From ChatGPT to Midjourney to automation tools, AI is creating money-making opportunities we've never seen before. Everyone's talking, but few are actually testing. I picked 5 viral AI side hustles I found on Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter, and I tried each one for exactly 1 day. No fluff, just hustle. Day 1. AI-generated eBooks using ChatGPT plus Canva. I created a 25-page ebook using ChatGPT and designed the cover in Canva. Uploaded it to Gumroad. Day 1 sales. Faceless. Reality check. Without an audience, sales are tough. Day 2. Faceless. YouTube Shorts with AI voiceovers. Used ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 labs for voiceover, and CapCut templates. Posted 5 shorts in the motivation niche. Day 2 revenue, $163 from AdSense. Not bad. Day 3, selling AI art posters. Midjourney plus Etsy. Used Midjourney to create abstract art, uploaded to Etsy, and promoted via Reddit. One poster sold for $865. Profit after Etsy fees, $701. Day 4. LinkedIn Bio Optimization as a Service. I offered a premium AI-generated LinkedIn bio gig on Fiverr and LinkedIn. Used ChatGPT plus custom prompts. Got 2 clients. Day 4 earnings, $1,200. Day 5. AI-powered resume writing. Used Rezi plus ChatGPT to offer resume services to job seekers. Promoted via WhatsApp groups and Telegram. Got 3 orders. Day 5 total, $2,400. In total, I made 4 Thors in F days, not including day 6 and 7 now, which I used to optimize and promote the best hustle. Resume writing. On day 6 alone, I closed 2 more clients, adding $3,200 more. Here's what I learned. Having an audience or distribution is everything. AI can save time, but you still need strategy. The most scalable hustle for beginners? AI-assisted resume writing. Low competition, high demand, and easy to start. If you want me to do a 30-day deep dive into the most profitable AI hustle, comment "Resume Hustle" below. And if you liked this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more real money experiments. Subscribe, like, comment your favorite hustle.